Welcome back, everybody. It's the same day I completed the Alito Obsession. I dead just got done finishing that, and if you're coming directly from that video, you're probably gonna realize that I just changed my words. So yeah, let's just go straight into Idas of March. A group calling themselves the Left Behind are taking matters in their own hand by attempting to kill a politician responsible for a budget cut proposal to already under-supported VAMC in Los Buenos. Uh-oh. I guess
Please,
let's
this
dig
is
right
Doc.
in.
Suspects are heavily barricaded, may have planted traps in multiple areas on site. Make entry, exercise extreme caution.
Traps. Got it. Imagine there's a trap on the first door. Okay. Oh, good. I hear someone fucking coughing already. Nobody hiding. Clear. Next room. That's up to... Oh, that's how... Oh, wait, that's how you leave. They got full-on military gear. Dog, they're heavily funded. They were not joking about killing this politician. The fuck that nigga? Oh wait, naturally now he underfunded something. They do not like that nigga, clearly.
Got multiple openings here. Negative on any devices. Contact. Armed.
Back up.
Area. Affirmative.
We're definitely flashing this
Doors
out.
unlocked.
Open and flashbang.
Done.
I'm going straight to it. No pussy shit.
Police down on the ground!
Opening on the
Put
left.
your fucking hands up! Hands up, asshole! Police, drop the weapon!
Hurry the fuck up, nigga. Don't piss me off.
I got nothing here.
Hands up!
You're a second from getting your ass hit.
Evidence talk.
One cuffed. Compliant.
Doc reporting. We're ready.
Who's laughing in there?
You really want to play this game?
He's in there. I was like, who's watching your back, dog? 1204, that's the room with this fucking sniper. There's gonna be someone in there. 1000%. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We know there's no trap over here, right?
Give up and I won't hurt you.
Post up and provide cover. Go, go, go!
I believe there's no trap there. Don't quote me. And I apologize in advance if it actually builds up in your head.
Bang, switch with me. Get down! I want to see hands!
Dim light out.
What gun is that? Custom AR?
Multiple entrances.
Evidence good to go.
They clearly well funded.
Suspect ready to go. Evidence good to go.
Man, nigga dead. Unfortunately, we got to arrest none of them, but... I'm gonna push the other door first. Oh, there might be someone flanking.
Provide support.
I got you. I got it. Secure.
Oh, good shit, good shit. I got rescue civilians too. I have no bullets. I really am being a shitty team player.
Provide cover. Moving up. Check it with the mirror.
Mirror the door, nigga.
It's open. We're good to go.
Mirror ready.
Multiple openings. Looks like a trap. Unarmed contact.
Don't hurt me, please!
Did you say one unarmed?
Shut up. We're not here for you.
Get rid of the trap.
Taking care of it.
That whole game flashbang.
It's good. Not gonna go off.
Open it. Toss a flashbang.
Come on with me.
Flash switch.
Reaching.
Open it on the right.
Down on your knees.
Stable and proceed with mission.
Contact down.
Get down and keep your hands up.
Going into cover.
Got it. Secure. Hurt anyone?
Good to go. Lead element. Talk. Civilians ready for transport. Compliant.
Lead, this is Talk. Notifying trailers.
Idiot left me here by myself.
Bitch, what?
Stay down and turn around.
Two eyes
Stay
up.
calm.
Where's my husband?
Civilian good to go.
This is Talk. Notifying trailers.
Oh. Nigga, we saved it. Oh,
Element to talk. We got a wounded civilian. Sending Thames immediately.
Talk here. Clean house and we'll take them out.
this guy detained. Yes, you are. Someone pee themselves? Nigga, shut up! Oh shit, that's a trap.
Disarming.
I really gotta watch where I'm going.
Provide support on me.
You have to find her.
Oh. Literally just circling around. That's everyone, alright? Oh, this is the sniper.
Entry team to talk. Weapons located.
I have a heart condition. You have to give me my pills.
Nigga! I really like the dialogue with NPCs in this game.
Move in. Clear it.
Stacking.
Swap.
Let's go.
Hands
up now. Drop to your knees.
Looks clear over here, boss. This is part of my job.
Is that Reagan?
Entry team to talk.
I have nothing to do with this.
This is Talk. Trailers incoming.
Good here. I'll get the closet.
You gonna let me go? Get down! I want to see hands!
One behind me.
On you.
Gotta get out of here.
Is this the closet you can check? I don't think so. Mirror the
Use the
fucking
mirror.
door.
Check for targets.
And foremost.
I got the mirror.
Is there a sniper in one of these rooms? 104. Oh, get a clean sniper.
Looks good.
Get on the ground, now!
We're good. 2 doors into the bathroom is nuts. This nigga's clearly rich. Wait, this is room 1204, right? Where's the fucking sniper?
You gonna tell me what's going on here?
Nigga.
Leave the talk. Weapons safe.
Time.
Oh, is that a gun? No, it's just a mag. Found the sniper.
Talk. Weapons safe.
Talk to entry team. Forensics is standing
Holy
by.
shit, who are they? Oh, wait, I think oh no, no, they definitely use a sniper then. I was gonna say, maybe they're trying to, completely get hold of the hotel before the planned event. And then clap the fucking, politician they want to go after. But then again, I'm pretty sure he would have been notified that, you know, terrorists are near.
Globalist agenda in play. I'm not letting them win this time.
Put your hands up! Down, now!
You drop your guns first. Yo! We have a man down over here. Fuck!
Dynamic movement. Flash and clear.
Firm. You won't stop our message.
Flash out.
Fuck off!
Police, don't fucking move! Down on the ground! Move! Police, drop your arrest! Police, don't move!
Yeah, better drop that bitch.
Team lead has gone.
No!
Defend yourself. Stand
see
down.
'em.
We can't afford mistakes like that.
Going in a cuff.
We don't want any more trouble.
It was going so good!
Suspect cuffed and secure.
Suspect ready.
Security.
Entry team, this is Talk. We're ready.
I'm giving
Hands up! Down on your knees! Put your hands up! Get down on your knees, hands up! Put your hands up! Police, get down! Down on the ground, now!
Move in and clear.
Ready.
Police, hands up! Get down,
it's
now!
Down, nigga.
Now. Contact
Turn
is
around.
down.
Don't get up.
Talk to lead. Notifying trailers.
Moving in. Got an opening up ahead.
That's so unfortunate.
So much.
Oh, what can you do? Do we get 3 subsets? 3 suspects?
I'll save it. I got it.
Nope.
Gonna pack it up.
Got 2 so far, I'm pretty sure.
Opening on the left.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Room's good. Oh, we gotta secure this.
Element to talk. We got some weapons here.
Dude, why? Wait, did she run over here or did? Nigga.
Get down on your knees.
Nigga.
Down on your goddamn. Let me see those
Interested.
hands.
I've given up.
Stay down.
Just doing your duty.
Entry team to talk. Suspect secured.
I thought they already arrested this nigga. What? They low-key almost sold me, bro.
Lead the talk. Civilians down but breathing. Notify Thames.
Entry team, this is Talk.
Veterans
EMTs
are
and
human
trailers are
too.
standing by.
Oh. Oh, now it makes sense. So the pros should probably cut funding for fucking veterans.
As a left behind, open fire on pedestrians from a penthouse suite. Our
And
coverage
now
continues
they're
on
buying
what
back,
we now
huh?
believe is a violent response to the recent war veterans funding cut that officials were aiming to finalize today. Just an hour ago, a
Okay, now I see why they're crashing out. That's why they got all these guns.
and injuring many others. An alleged manifesto which we received.
I'm not gonna say they're justified, though.
outlines the demands
But this
that
is
the
really,
sheriff
really
have.
fucked up.
Element to talk. Weapons safe.
Talk to entry
I'm gonna
team.
see.
Secure it and keep
Deadass, I'm
going.
gonna see how much I get graded after this. If I beat it. To see if I'm gonna do another attempt or not. It's only one civilian. It's only one civilian. Really, I get done good, right? No trap.
Roads around the building have been barricaded.
Oh, it's a house. Where's the CVM at? I remember this door. It's like room 1203.
On me.
Behind you.
I'm pretty sure this was another entrance, the stairwell. If I remember this correctly, there was another floor, right? What was this? Laundry?
Use the wand. Check for targets.
Wait, that's just...
I got the wand.
Oh, yep, there's a trap behind there.
We got something here. Wired. All clear.
Get the trap.
I got this. Safe. Won't go off.
Get the door and move in.
Stacking. Swap with me.
Moving!
Nothing here, sir.
Really, they don't have two traps in a row? Fair statement, sorry.
Got the wand. No device here. Nothing.
Nothing?
Stack up.
Ready.
Good.
Get the door. Clear it.
Affirmative.
Move, move, move! Open it on the left.
Good here.
Okay, this is clear. Oh my god, another trap. Do they plan to barricade themselves
Watch
in
my
here?
back. Disarming. On me. Move.
You got point.
Oh my god, I almost shot your head. floor. I'm still upset about accidentally shooting that civilian though. Can't. Oh. Dude, why was she just straight in the middle of the hallway though, dude? I'm gonna check down the cell and see if there's like another floor. Oh. Wait. Oh, is that other SWAT officer waiting? It is. Yo, they're about to shoot me. Why did it post it up like that?
Police, hands up! Police, get your hands up!
Oh. Oh.
Restrain him.
I'll get him ready.
Oh.
You're in safe hands.
Oh. Oh.
Captain ready. Near me. Element, talk. Civvy is ready.
Oh.
Element, this is Talk. Continue mission.
Why did he run out like that? Why would you do that? Dude. Oh, the balcony. Uh-oh. Dude, were you trying to die? Oh, now I understand. They're literally veterans.
Move in. Clear the room. Good to go.
He's out there, I swear.
Let's switch.
Breaching!
I got nothing here.
Get down now!
Fucking me.
Reload! Hands up above your head!
M249! Holy shit!
Talk to lead.
Okay,
Great
please.
work, entry team.
At least a B.
Wrap.
Please, at least a B. If I get a C, I'm gonna have to redo this. You know what? You know what? You know what? We take Doge. We fucking take Doge. If I'm gonna do that again, I'm just gonna be off camera. Ah. That wasn't bad. Next mission is gonna be, Paracord Rescue Bracelet. I'm actually gonna check that out. But what the sinuous trail? Oh, let's actually read the debriefing of that first before I end this episode. Data storage facility run by @MindJot scrubbed IPs from content found in the residence of a now convicted pedophile. What the fuck? Led to the distribution source of illicit child abuse material. Okay, oh. So the next one is gonna be a fucking pedophile. Okay. I guess I'll have to bring a shotgun next time, huh? Ooh. Okay, bracelet though, right? Ooh. No, that doesn't look good. Let's at least match it to fit. Gray. Nah, green actually matches the fit too. Okay, where's the bracelet? Oh, it's right there, it's right there, it's right there. What did I click last time? Customization, and then probably like watch, right? Because I can't even see it, so why does it matter? Ooh. Oh my god, that's fire. Oh, they got challenges for. I can't even talk straight. What about eyewear?
Officer Fraser, please call extension 4342. Officer Fraser.
Oh yeah. 42. I'm gonna go white. Why the fuck would I need to wear eyewear if I literally already have goggles on? That sounds so goofy. Well, I guess that's a wrap for this video. If you're coming from the last video, somehow that video ended up being longer. Actually, I'm not gonna say that since I'm probably gonna cut out some of my runs, but you know. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time where I do a sinuous trail and hopefully put an end to that pedophile. But actually, before I end the episode, regarding what's it called, Dishonored. Hopefully that'll be the next video I actually record. And I actually ended up leaving that on a cliffhanger, so I'm sorry about that. Yeah. Bye.